Does the Moto G Stylus for 2024 has what it takes to play some of the most demanding games on mobile platforms? Personally, I think so. It's not the most powerful device out there, but it does get the job done. When it comes to playing games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile, it's definitely punching above its weight class. To see what I'm talking about, stay tuned. So when it comes to the Moto G Stylus of 2024, you could purchase this device from Best Buy, places like Amazon, and I got it at the price of $249. Now the regular price of this device is $399, so if it's not on sale anymore, I'll say, hold off for a little bit. But the device does come with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. It is paired up with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. And as far as the GPU, you're going to have the Adreno 710. So enough of that talk, let's go ahead and get a game going here. Alright, so now that we're loaded into a game, the first thing I wanted to discuss with you guys is that you do get a game mode. And it's kind of illuminated there, you can't really see it, but if you press that little control button there, you get some game options. I guess they call it the toolkit. So you got your performance mode here. So you can see you go from turbo to balance to battery saving. And obviously you can just press that again to make it go away. And it shows you your usage here in terms of CPU and GPU. And then you got your frames per second, the amount of RAM is being used, and the actual internal temperature of the device. And then down here you can cut down notifications or cut down volume for the game. You can also cut up the brightness of the screen. So that's pretty cool. And then in apps here, you got certain apps that can pretty much overlay over the top of the game here. But you can just easily cut that stuff off and just play the game. The video is currently being recorded at 60 frames per second. I'm shooting this here on the OnePlus 12R. So you guys can see that it's actually playing pretty well. So let me go ahead and get into a quick little fight and show you guys what the performance is like when it comes to fighting the monsters or the characters in the game. All right, increasing danger here. We got a random fight over here, I believe. So this is a perfect opportunity to show you guys what the fighting is like, even at 60 frames per second. The device, like I said, punches above its weight class. All right. All right, they go. All right. Let's pick up some of the loot here. Well, I guess the loot went further back. So let's see if we can find some more smoke over here. That was a pretty quick fight. I want to show you guys a little bit more than just that. Yeah, it's not going to be effective against this one. All right, let's get out of here. Oops, I didn't see that. Oh, he right here? Oh, come on then. Boom. Pretty simple there. So yeah, overall performance is pretty good. Big fan of that. Big fan of that. All right, so we earned a little bit of coin there. So let's go ahead and jump over to Call of Duty Mobile. Team deathmatch, we're at the crash site. So I'm gonna be running shotgun here. Now, I don't normally play exactly on mobile or use the mobile controls. I think the layout that they have here is gonna be a little awkward for me, but it is what it is. We still gonna get some kills, man. All right, shotgun is what I like. It is what it is. Got there. Whoa, get out of that. Let's see, where they at? Where they at? All right, where y'all at now, dog? Don't run into a shotgun. What's wrong with you, man? Come on, should have gave me that, man. All right, gotta reload anyway. Come on, reload. come on. They should have gave me that, man. It's a shotgun. Now, I was sucking. I was like pretty butt right there, so can't really be too surprised by that. Yo, man, stay still, man. Yo, come on, bro. I like team deathmatch more than anything, bro. Yo, who's sniping on mobile, bro? Unless you got a controller, no way. Yeah, you gotta have a controller, bro. Damn, somebody got the Predator? Damn, dog, trying to get some kills too. Come on, bro. If they kill, bruh. I'm garbage, bro. Yeah, so far the game is running really, really smooth. It's funny because I'm having fun and I forgot I was recording a video. Give me that, bro. Alright, team saved me there. I guess that's the end of the game. As you guys saw there, this game is running at 60 frames per second. Oh, I came in second for, it's not too bad actually. But as you guys saw there, the Moto G Stylus was able to handle that game with no issues there. I was also able to play Genshin Impact at 60 frames per second. So this goes to show you, this device punches above its weight class. It's one of the best, in my opinion, one of the better Motorola phones they've released in a very long time. Because as far as getting everything to function the way it does, having a beautiful screen, proper, I'm not gonna play again, bro. Proper performance, proper price. It's just hard to find a device like that these days. So in the comment section below, let me know what kind of other content do you want to see with the Moto G Stylus here. Leave a like on the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel if you guys can. But until then, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.